All right, I'm gonna show you how to do a slip knot to tie the plane down. All right, so first of all, I'm gonna pull the rope really tight, right? I'm gonna try to hold my hand as close as to the tie down thing as possible, right? Hold it tight, and then this loose part, I'm gonna wrap it around, right? And then let it come through this loop over here, okay? And then I'm gonna pull out a little bit to create another loop. So without pulling the whole slack part out, I'm gonna, through this loop, grab the slack, right? I'm still holding really tight with my left hand, and then pull the whole thing down, right?
All right, do it again.
All right, so I'm gonna just, to release, just pull and slack, right? Again, hold really tight, put your left hand as close as to the tie down ring as possible. This loose part, wrap it around, let it come through this loop, create another loop, grab the slack, and pull it down. That's it.
Another way of tying a slip knot for a tie down is you grab here, you put your hand between, so you're kind of pushing this way on the rope so that you can pull through, create a loop, pull the other one through, and then pull the loop.
Can you show us again?
Sure. So put your hand between the two ropes, reach through, create a loop, create another loop, and pull.
Perfect.
And that's a quick slip knot because it'll just pull out when you pull the end.